Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix there was an error opening this document in Adobe Reader. First, turn off protected mode for trusted PDF files. Open Adobe Reader on your computer. Click on Edit in the top menu, then choose Preferences. In the left panel, select Security Enhanced. Remove the check from Enable Protected Mode at startup. If a warning message appears, click Yes to confirm. Then also uncheck Enable Enhanced Security. Click OK to save the changes. Close Adobe Reader, open it again, and try to open your PDF file. If the file still does not open, repair the installation. Open Adobe Reader again. Click on Help in the top menu. Select Repair Installation. Wait while the program fixes itself. This may take a few minutes. When it finishes, try opening the PDF again. If the problem continues, check for updates. Open Adobe Reader, click Help, then choose Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues. After updating, restart your computer. Once your system restarts, open Adobe Reader and test the PDF file again. In most cases, these steps solve the issue. Thanks for watching.